In this video we will show how to repair a crack on a bumper using the bonding or chemical repair process. Here are some damage examples. Let's get started on a repair. Chemical repair has many factors in the process. Make sure to V-groove the damage while sanding, but most important is the cleaning and primer application, and then waiting time after for the primer to cure. After that, the process is to apply adhesive, then shape and reinforce by using the contour sheets. The final step is sanding down the outside. For all chemical repairs, the gap must be at least 5 mm wide. The surrounding sanded area has to be large, to ensure the adhesive has a large surface area to adhere to. The V-grooving must also be extensive, at least 15 to 20 mm, again to improve adhesion. The first step in priming is to remove dust and dirt. This is done with a rag and the cleaning product. Then apply the primer. Notice the thin layer. When applying primer, more is not better. It must cover the area, but not more than that. Wait until the primer is dry, or fumed off. Follow the producer's standard operating procedure, or SOP. First, put the adhesive in the application gun, and ensure the application gun is fully functional, otherwise the A and B components will not be mixed correctly. Then calibrate the adhesive by pressing out product until you can see that both components are coming out of the container smoothly. Next, apply the nozzle, and press the product through, using the first 25 mm to ensure the mix is okay. Apply the adhesive on the contour sheet. Notice the tip stays in the pool of adhesive. This is to prevent air bubbles and pinholes in the cured adhesive. Press the adhesive onto the back side of the bumper. An extra sheet of contour film may be used on the outside to stop the adhesive being pushed all the way through. Then repeat the application process on the outside. When the contour sheets are removed, it is easy to see if the adhesive has properly cured, as the repaired area stands out as hard and shiny. The first step of the final sanding is the 2-speed sander. Then, we use a dual-action sander with a smaller orbit. Next, A large dual-action sander is used to smooth out the larger area. Finally, we use the sanding block to remove any small imperfections from the surface. The repair is now ready for finishing and feather edging. If you want more information, go to our webpage, betaginnovation.com.